Hey everybody, Sharon here with LA Little Flowers. I have here another photo album. So cute. Okay, this is from Paper Collection. Baby girl. Let's see. It's a girl. This is really cute paper. This is the front. Fine. And this is the back. Sorry, doing this one-handed, so. This flower right here I made with lace that I had. This little flower and this flower from Wild Orchid Crafts. And this is, I had in my stash. And these, I can't remember where I got them. And these are some Swarovski crystals. This lace I had in my stash. This lace I got from Amazon. Isn't it just gorgeous? And this is bling on a roll. So, and then the spine is just some seam binding with a little rosette right there. And then on the sides, there is some lace. Okay, and this has some tie closure with some seam binding. Okay, look at this paper. It's just so pretty. And this, I can't remember where I got it. But there's that. And this paper right here. This paper actually didn't come with the collection. It's what I had in my stash. I wanted to use it because it was just by itself. And it went so good with this paper collection. Here's some little tags for some little things. And I used a lot of diamond stickles. And here is another one. This, this will lift up so you can slide a picture under there. And this I had in my stash with this pink center. It closes like this. And this, the pearl center. And more stickles. And this is a giant tag. And then it opens up like this. I didn't want to put too much on here because of the closing. So here's more pretty paper. So lots of room for pictures and everything. And it just slides from there. And then this tag. And this is a belly band. And this is to stop it from slide right back in there. Keep it from going out. This opens up. There's a photo mat, another flower I made with another center. And here I have some cute little tags. And some more bling on a roll. Now it opens up. I have here some tags. This one here is a trifold card. Or just a trifold. So I put lots of pictures on that one. And this right here is a vellum pocket. I actually did a tutorial on that. You'll have to check that video out. And some more lace. And more stickles. Oh. Okay. And then right here, this is a magnet right here. And this, so lots of room in the last page. It has stickles in it, and each one of these right here have a tag. That slides in. So lots of room for pictures, and here I have another bead spray and some more stuff there, and more stickles. And here, I have here a tag here. And another tag. And this I had in my stash along with this. And this, you can also put a picture right there. And this opens up. More stickles. It's lots of room for photos. And a magnet closure. This right here is what is it? Velcro. Couldn't think of that. Okay, so you can put pictures here and up there if you'd like. So pretty. And here is a big photo mat or tag. Back. And I took this and I cut out the fence part and made a pocket out of it. It turned out really cute. And then this right here, more cute paper, more stickles, and here little tags. And here I have this and more. Okay. And that is nice and secure right there. And then here, this opens up like that. And this right here is a skeleton leaf, and I stickled that, and this I had in my stash. So lots of room for pictures and lots of stuff to do in here. Pearl center, and more of this, another thing, and I tied a little bow right there. And on these ones I put a little more room, so I was able to put bows here and a little tag right here. So that is this album. If you have any questions on what I did, or would like to see me do something that you saw in here, let me know in the comment below. And thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe button right there, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and as always, happy crafting. Later.